Alright, that should be everything. Bring the phones, grab a picture of the before and after. Alright, so the fun part. My hood, grinder, filler, lights and stuff already in there. Oh, and torch, start off with moisture. There's always something to forget. Fuck. There we go. Oh. Torch, ground, hood, filler, right on line. That's right. From there. Oh, God, fat. Oh, that mistake. All right. All right, so we made it down in the tank, and show you what I usually use for repairs like this. I got the Fronius AccuPocket, Milwaukee angle grinder, the torches, and a ground cable. Usually I'll run a ground up to a hatch or something like that where I can get a good ground on it, but I'm just going to sit on it today. My hood, a blowtorch to dry the crack out, and another Milwaukee light, and then I got my argon line. And the crack is right there. And then I got one piece of filler. Generally in the sanitary world, I don't use filler, but sometimes on cracks like this, you need it and you just end up buffing it out. This isn't exactly a sanitary tank, so it's not really a huge deal. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys back on my head here and let you see what I'm doing. Alright, so went ahead and patched the crack there. In this application, you wouldn't necessarily need to polish it, but I probably will just hit it with a flat wheel there just to make it pretty. And then we'll get the heck out of Dodge here. Oh, God, too fat. All right. What? All right. All right, so I didn't show cutting that guy out there just because I was doing it yesterday again, kind of in the rain, and I just needed to get it done. But I just took my plasma cutter, cut that hole out. Not really the best way to do it, but it is what it is. All they're doing is hauling pool water with this guy. So I welded the outside of this. Now we got to go ahead and weld the inside here and make sure we get a good seal on it. So we're going to be using the AccuPocket. I've got the welder sitting on top of the ground clamp. And what I really like about this machine for stuff like this is you've got a torch switch here. When I first started using this, I really hated it, but now that I've used it a little bit, I really like it. So, all right, I'm gonna see if I can find a spot for you guys here, weld this guy out, and get out of here. All right, well, that was fun. I got one bar left on the welder, fortunately, and we are done. We're gonna go ahead and inspect for cracks one last time. But, I lost you guys. I am fairly happy with that weld. I don't think he's gonna have any leaks, and I'm gonna look things over for cracks, and we're gonna get the heck out of Dodge. I don't see no cracks. Nothing else? No tools? All right, nothing else? All right. Whew, all right. That's everything. Sweet. So it's been a long day here. I didn't get to work on this really a whole lot yesterday because of the rain. It was cool. I was able to take you guys inside there and show you what I was up to, but Anyway, back here is an absolutely ugly repair that I'm, you know, kind of embarrassed to have up here, but, you know, he didn't want to spend a whole lot of money because basically all this thing does is haul pool water, but he hauls, like, I guess, hoses and other stuff out here, and didn't want that to fall through, so I just kind of took some scraps and made a little, I don't know, little area or patch for this stuff. But this stuff has to be removable, so if you change this valve here, because this stuff has to come out to be able to take this T and that valve out. So there's that 4-inch half nipple that we welded in there, and then this is just a ball valve here, and then you put this cam lock fitting on there, and then I think his plan was to run off the bottom of this T here down, and then have a pump. There's a hydraulic motor that runs off the truck right there, and I think he was going to put a pump right in there, so it's going to feed that. But I think that's kind of a future deal. And oh, I guess welded this guy up right here. These were broken on both sides there, and then yeah, that front crack in the tank, and that was it. So yeah, check this one off the list here. I hope he's happy. He's coming here shortly to pick it up because he's got to deliver water tomorrow. So anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, thank you for watching.